Welcome to the Westport Library. Today's program will begin momentarily. Supported by Verso Studios, created locally and shared with the world.
Hey everybody, welcome to Camp Explorers. Iyaba Ibo Mandingo here. I am a upcycle artist, among many other things. I'm a painter and a writer as well. But I love coming here, especially for summer camp, because we do a lot of different things. And what we did this year was actually totem poles, using two ideas, mask and then combining them with totem poles. The very first day, once we got to know each other and everybody, we jumped in and using cardboard and different recycled things, oatmeal, containers. We sort of started on the basic idea of what our mask was going to look like using different things, different appliques, buttons, lace, pieces of cardboard, string, to really start creating the mask. And the theme was spirit animal or your totem, something that you thought represented you, whether it was color or shape or an element that represented your personality. And the first day we really finished a lot farther along than I actually expected, but by day two, we were able to actually finish up a lot of the creative part, the making part, and start painting and adding a lot of these appliques that you were adding after finished painting. Then we led us to today, which was completing day. In the second day, another thing we did was we started the totem pole. So this time now we had to just kind of finish up some of the details on the totem pole and finish up our mask. We also use something called Mod Podge, which is really good. Once you water it down, it makes for a really excellent coating, and it's waterproof and also kid-proof. So it's really, really good to use. And that helped us to give like a nice shine to the pieces. And finally, we hung them and got a chance to really see where we were going. And some advice thing, I guess, when hanging, you definitely want to go the lightest pieces at the top, coming down to the bottom. And also when it comes to some of the technical things, we're using a hot glue gun, so it's really, really careful. And then we're also using a saw knife to cut the cardboard. And the same thing goes for both of those things. You want to really be careful when it comes to how you're cutting the cardboard. You want to always make sure the offhand, the hand you're using to hold, is nowhere near the blade or the hot glue gun. And you're using it in a way where you just keep them separate so you don't get any cuts or any burns. And that is kind of like our overview of how we got to the process. The other thing is really encouraging the children to think about something twice. Like, what can this piece of plastic become? Like a young man used his and created really beautiful dragonfly wings that everybody is sort of the star of the show right now. So I had a wonderful time. I hope you guys do if you try this. Maybe we'll see you guys here next summer. Thank you so much.